Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos to gallery on mobile device. So when some person send you photos and videos, that photos and videos auto save on your gallery. So we are going to disable this option. So we are in chat, so you can open any chat, and then on top you see username. So you can click on name on top, so click on it, and then you see media visibility. So click on this option, and then you see pop up show newly downloaded media from this chat in your device gallery. Default option yes. Now you see yes or no. So we are going to select no, and then click on OK. So after that, when this person send photos or videos, that photos or videos cannot save in our mobile gallery. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.